Hello guys, welcome to Genius Developer. So today we are going to discuss one of the most beautiful question of Java 8. So it is a very frequently asked question in any Java interview, guys. If you go for full stack development or if you go for Java backend development, so usually this question used to occurs in most of the interviews. So overall, guys, I would like to discuss the whole process of interview, guys. If you go any interview in any MNC, so like first process it happens. So like that around interview goes. Suppose that around 30 to 45 minutes or 1 hour. Suppose that some interview. So usually around 20 to 25 minutes, 30 minutes, or sometime at least 15 minutes, they will ask about the theory portion. They will try to understand your theoretical knowledge about some basic concepts, some core concepts of coding and Java and programming, and some projects they will ask. But usually at the last, in 10-15 minutes in the interview, they will ask some coding question. They will say to write some implementation, code implementation. They will give one question and you have to give the solution by writing the code. So guys, even if you have not answered theory question well, if you written the code very well, very optimized code, and you explain them, then you are going to be selected definitely. So usually this pattern work into the every interview. If you go any like Capgemini, Cognizant, IBM, Wipro, Infosys, TCS, any company you go, same pattern it works in every interview, guys. So usually theory question you should answer very well, very nicely. You have to speak, you have to answer. But even if you suppose you miss some theory question, but if you write the program very very smart, you written the code and you explain the code very well, then definitely you are going to be selected, guys. So we should more focus on the writing the code. So if you go for any interviews, if we think the theory is the huge in everywhere, like lot of concept in theory, we should understand the theory part, definition, all those. But if you go coding is only in maximum 50 question or 100 question. If you understand well and explain well, those questions are getting repeated in every company, guys. In any MNC you go, any company, either you Bangalore, Chennai, Gurgaon, Noida, or Pune, Hyderabad, Mumbai, any company, even abroad also, in international companies also, they are asking the same question and same patterns, but we have to understand the code logic behind that, guys. And we should know how to write optimized code, guys. So let's really start the question. So this is the main question, guys. So we have to find the duplicate or repeated names in a given list. Suppose we have given a list of names, we have to find the duplicate names, guys. So I have written this logic usually. So this logic usually it will work. So I will explain you in coding. But yeah, here are two way. So here, guys, if we talk about this code, so usually here only one way I have explained, but there is one more way. I will explain that one also. Uh, but we have to understand which way is the more efficient, which one is the optimized way. Okay, guys. So sometime one way is more easier, but that is not optimized. Sometime one way is little bit tough, but it is more optimized. So we should focus on more optimized. But for understanding the concept, we should understand the both way, how to find the unique names. So here we have given one list of names, guys. List of names I have taken like list string. names. Arrange that as list method we are using for creating the list of names. Suppose we have created Java, Python, Groovy. So here Java is the duplicate, Python is duplicate, Groovy is not duplicate, guys. Okay. So let's suppose that, okay, this part is clear, like class main method. I hope everyone understands. Okay, so I have taken declare this list. Usually they will give this list. We have to just find the duplicate names here. So for finding the duplicate first, like we have to count how many times Java came, how many times Python came, how many times Groovy came, everyone. So here directly we are taking set of duplicates. Okay. So here we are declaring one string set of duplicates, and now here we are processing that list, actual list, names or list. We can say this is names list, guys. Okay, okay, let's okay. So this is the names list. Now we are calling a stream method. The stream will return list of streams, names of stream. Now we are calling the collect method, and now we are calling from grouping by. So grouping by will do key value format like is Java, and function that identity like this will call like Java, Python only once it calls unique is, guys, this is unique key, we should know. Like Java, then we are calling collector start counting. So collector start counting will return how many times in this list Java, how many times, suppose two times, so it will return two times for Java. Okay, like this. Now it will collect function that identity, it will find Python. So Python, and after printing Python it will collectors that counting will return this Python how many times, collectors are counting like two times it is there. Like this next function that identity will return Groovy. So Groovy for Groovy now it will call the collectors that counting will return only once Groovy. So it will return a key value format here. So here it will return the key value format like Java how many times. Okay, like Java two times, and if we talk about Python, Python also two times, okay, and Groovy, and Groovy it will return once time. So here we see this, it will return this method grouping by collect, and grouping by it will return this map. Usually we are see directly we are not storing in map. Here now in map, after getting the map, if we want to process map data, so we will call this entry set method, guys. Okay, so it will return Java two times, Python two times, Ruby two times, and now we have to find the duplicate, like which count is greater than one, like two, Java two, Python two, but Groovy was one, it will not return the Groovy. Okay, so let's how this now after getting this map. Now we are calling on this entry set. Entry set usually it is called on some map, guys. Because see this will return grouping by return a map. See here it is going to return map. Okay, map value, and then it will entry set will process this map data. Now after converting in, it will convert into entry set return, guys, map dot entry. We should know this return type map dot entry always for the entry set. Like it will key value pair it will return. So after returning the entry set key value, it will again process. It will convert into a stream using the stream method, guys. Stream will return a stream value of that particular type. Now we are using this filter on the stream. Now we can use filter. So filter, here we are filtering logic. Always see filter will return this it will take the boolean expression, it will return always true or false, only boolean value, guys. So here it will check if entry set will return the entry of the each object like Java 1, Java 2, Python 2, like this. Now it will e dot get value. It will get the value, and it will check if it is greater than 1. If the value, like Java, for Java value is 2. For Python, how many times came? 2 times. For Python is 2. So which are greater than 2, it will select that one. Okay, it will select that one. And Groovy is 1 only. It is not greater than 1. It is less than, like 1 only, equal to 1. So it will not be selected. So here, after processing this, filtering the data, now it will convert into map.entry, and like it will take the get key, and it will take every key, and now it will convert into collectors.toSet. Get key will return string type of set, guys. Okay, key, because this is a string, it will go into key, so it will store into a string set, string, guys, duplicates set. So here it is converting into collectors.toSet. So let's see the result, guys. See, guys, these are the duplicate names, guys. Java and Python. Okay. So like this, we can see break this complete code some more simpler way, but that is not a efficient or optimized way, guys. Okay. Suppose I'm taking duplicate names here. Okay. See, so I will break this code in some simpler way. So still here, suppose that it is taking, uh, till here, we are directly taking into duplicate name set. Uh, but before that, it is converting C map into map string long. So suppose that, and after that, it is converting into set. So here we can break this part in two part, guys. Still here one part and till here one part. But that will take more space. Space complexity wise, that is not a optimized code. Actually, this is the only optimized code. This is the current is the optimized code. We are only one processing. We are getting the result. But for understanding, I am explaining just breaking this code, guys. So here we are usually, suppose this is returning map string long. So here we will take one map instead of, see, this will be returning from here actually. This will be returning from here, and here we will take, suppose there is some string map, names map I am taking. Let's names map. Okay, and we will process, and this names map we are defining here, guys. Suppose we are taking, oh sorry. Suppose we are taking here some names map. Suppose we are taking map. We have to take map string and long, guys. String and long. See, no any error now. No any error, but we have break this code into two parts. So first it will create the map of key value like string and long, like this Java how many times came, Python how many times, and Groovy how many times. It will convert into key value. And now after getting the key value in map, now we are processing through entry set, and we are calling stream. All the field same process will be happen the same way. All the, but it is happening in two steps. So here we are taking two storage, like two container. One is map we are taking. That time map was not required. Only duplicate this list was required, set was required. But here now we are taking two storage, guys. So in terms of space complexity, this will take more space complexity, guys. So that's why this is less optimized code. But when we had written in the complete in one line or one logic, only one we have taken collection. In that case, it was the more optimized code, guys. So, but it will give the same result. For understanding, we should understand how this like complete implementation works. For that, we should know this process. So I'm running this logic. So see, this is duplicate names. It is printing. It is giving the same result. Even we segregated the code into two parts, guys. First part we are converting into map key value format, and second we are just getting the key unique keys or unique names from the sorry in duplicate names from the list. Same way we can get the unique also. If you just change here equal double equal to one, we will get the unique name, guys. Sometimes they will confuse, they will ask in the middle of the interview, kind of how we can get the what are the unique. So see, Groovy is the unique name, guys. Like this, suppose that if any I use suppose Kotlin, okay. Kotlin is the main Java programming language for Android development application, guys. Kotlin also very useful coding language. So now it is printing Ruby and Kotlin both. It is printing for the unique characters. So this was the logic, guys. तो हम लोग इसमें मतलब दो टाइप से हमने सीखा कि कैसे इसको फर्स्ट मैप में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, फिर मैप से हम जो है इसको सेट में कन्वर्ट करके हम इसका रिजल्ट यूनिक नेम या डुप्लीकेट नेम वहां से गेट करते हैं। तो गाइस जैसे हमने एक्सप्लेन किया कि अक्सर सभी इंटरव्यूज में आप किसी भी एमएनसी कंपनी के इंटरव्यू में जाएंगे तो पहला क्या होता है, वो लोग अराउंड टोटल इंटरव्यू अराउंड 30 मिनट या 45 मिनट तक का भी हो, 30 to 45 मिनट के अराउंड होता है एवरेज। तो अराउंड अराउंड फर्स्ट 15 मिनट और 20-25 मिनट वो लोग ऐसा पूछेंगे, ज्यादातर थ्योरी और कॉन्सेप्चुअल थिंग्स पूछेंगे। एंड आफ्टर दैट अगर कॉन्सेप्चुअल अच्छा लगा तो आप लोगों को कोई कोडिंग देते हैं अक्सर, या कोडिंग अक्सर देते हैं हर इंटरव्यू में। तो लास्ट के 10-15 मिनट के लिए हम कोडिंग देंगे। अगर कोडिंग क्वेश्चन आप अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर दिए, कोडिंग आपने अच्छे से लिख दिया और एक्सप्लेन कर दिया, और सपोज आज थ्योरी में आपने कुछ मिस भी कर दिया था तब भी वो लोग आपको सिलेक्ट कर लेंगे। बट अगर आपने थ्योरी अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया पर अगर कोड को इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं किया तो वहाँ पे चांसेस थोड़ा कम हो जाते हैं। तो इसलिए केयरफुल होना चाहिए। वी शुड फोकस ऑन मोर ऑन द राइटिंग द कोड लॉजिक एंड राइटिंग द ऑप्टिमाइज्ड कोड, गाइस। तो ये था आज का जो है, मैंने दोनों प्रोसेस एक्सप्लेन की दिया। आप प्लीज दोनों मतलब दोनों वे से आप ट्राई टू मतलब अंडरस्टैंड करिए कि इसको कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं। तो दोनों तरीके से समझेंगे तो दोनों का डिफरेंस और दोनों का इम्पोर्टेंस आपको क्लियर समझ में आएगा। ओके गाइस, so thank you so much for watching so far my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks everyone. We'll meet you very soon in next video. And I'm now I'm bringing you some more important topics for further interviews, guys. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day.